وفضل ديننا ونبينا على سائر الأديان ومحى بحبيبه ونبيه وخليله عبادة الأوثان. أما بعد، فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. سبحان الذي أسرى بعبده ليلا من المسجد الحرام إلى المسجد الأقصى الذي باركنا حوله لنريه من آياتنا إنه هو السميع البصير. صدق الله العظيम. कि फिर गजा और गरब उर्दुन खून में नहलाए गए, फिर मासूम बच्चों को है कफन पहनाए गए, जुल्म की शिद्दत से है सारा जहां थर्रा हुआ, कि फिर धुएं के बादलों से आसमां गहना गया, सीने अर्ज मुसलमानों पे है हंगामों का राज, सरजमीने अंबिया के सर पे है कांटों का ताज. Honorable Chief Guest, respected teachers and one and all present here, myself Sayyid Muhammad AHFAZ, and I am standing before you to present a speech on a very painful topic, which is case of Palastheen and Masjid al-Aqsa. Respected listeners, the verses which I have recited in front of you are from Holy Quran, which holds the great significance. In these place verses, the importance of Masjid al-Aqsa has been highlighted, which is the third most holiest place in Islam. This place is present in southern Syria, today's Palastheen. This is the place where our forefather of prophets, Hazrat Ibrahim a.s. made his migration. The same place where Lut a.s. sought refuge. The place from where Yaqub's son Yusuf has arrived, where Dawood and Suleiman, the prophets of Allah, had administrated the God's rule. It is the place where Musa received Torah, Dawood received Zabur, and Isa received Injil. This is the place where our beloved Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, the leader of all prophets, embarked on a miraculous journey from Isra to Miraj after leading all the prophets in the Salah. It is known from historical accounts that this place was path of Islamic teachings. However, due to global dominance and imperialism, the inhabitant of this sacred land was unjustly oppressed and subjected to the oppressive forces. Today, Israel has attacked on Baitul Maqdis, inflicted operations upon Gaza, crossing all the limits of cruelty. The plight and suffering of Palestinians has suppressed the narrative of terror and horror, even shaking the spirits of conquerors like Halaku and Genghis Khan. Despite this, the world of Islam is behaving like Islam teaches submission only, while our Palestinian mothers and sisters are crying for help and shouting, "Why aren't you coming for our help and support? What's the matter with you that you are not coming for our help and support?" In this situation, my dear friends, the protection of Masjid al-Aqsa is the responsibility of you, me, and all the Muslims in the world. The mosques are the houses of Allah, and in these houses, no one should be worshipped except Allah. So, it is our responsibility to take care and look after these mosques. And I would like to end my speech by saying some words. कि ऐ सबा लौट के किस शहर से तू आती है, तेरी हर लहर से बारूद की बू आती है, खून कहाँ बहता है इंसानों का पानी की तरह, खून कहाँ बहता है इंसानों का पानी की तरह, जिससे करके तू वजू आती है. May Allah protect Masjid al-Aqsa and help Palestinians in their hardest phase of life.